and the last question I want is using the histogram graph, the one we just worked with. I want to know how many more people spent between $20 and $30 than spent between $40 and $50. I want to know how many more people spent between $20 and $30 than the ones that spent between $40 and $50. And again, here's a copy of the histogram that we were using. Okay, so there's my 3 questions. Now I need to stop the tape, work the problems, look them up, and then come back and check our answers. Okay, the answers to these problems is number 1 was 350 people. The second one was 1,650 students. And the last question was 21 people. Okay, 350 people for number 1, 1,650 students for number 2, and 21 people for number 3. If you had any problems or any questions, make sure you ask someone in the math lab for some help. This ends our lesson on circle, bar, double bar, and histograms. You can see how they can be very useful depending on what area you're dealing with, and it gives you a better idea. You can actually see the differences. When you're just given numbers, sometimes it just doesn't, you can't get a feel for what you're doing. So this actually gives us a better idea of what we're looking at and what we're dealing with, and it makes it easier to work with. This ends this topic.